Hi everybody, welcome to Introduction to Criminology. My name is Dr. Samantha Blemba and I'll be your professor for this course. I just wanted to take this opportunity to just introduce myself for those of you who don't know me or if you've maybe taken a class with me but you've never seen me in person. So I am the resident criminologist here at MSU Northern, so you'll get to learn a lot about theories of crime and criminal behavior, victimology, things like that. So this course is a lot of learning kind of how criminals think and theorizing why they do what they do from various different lenses. I mean, there's the idea that there's something biologically different about criminals, especially violent or sexually violent criminals, or there's the idea that things like social factors like poverty and the effects of being part of certain groups like racial groups and things like that plays a large role. There's the idea of attachment in childhood and how that can possibly play a role. And then there's more situational or contextual factors. So, about what opportunities are available and who decides what is an opportunity versus what's not an opportunity. So there's a whole lot of different ways to address the question of what causes crime or what causes somebody to become a criminal, or the question of what increases someone's likelihood to be a victim as well. But hopefully you're going to learn a lot about all of those things within this course. And I mean, as you can see, I have a diversity of interest just based on what's going on in my office here. So I am a little bit of a nerd, so if you ever want to come and talk nerdy stuff, or if you want to talk shop too, that's good too. My own personal research that I do is in sexual offending and particularly the situational aspects of rape and sexual assault. So if you ever want to talk about that, we can talk about that for hours too, because I find it fascinating. But if that's not your jam, that's totally cool, because I know that that's not for everybody. But if you are interested, definitely come and talk to me. And I have online office hours and I also have face-to-face office hours. That's all in my syllabus. We can also set up phone calls. If you happen to live in Havre, you can definitely drop by during office hours, or we can set up another time. I'm pretty flexible for that. Best way to get a hold of me is through email, which is on syllabus as well. But so please just don't be afraid to reach out and, come talk to me or send me an email if you have a question about something. Definitely check your syllabus first if it's just sort of a housekeeping question. But if you want to ask me about anything in terms of content, if you're not totally sure about something, or you're doing the readings and you're not really getting the handle on a certain concept or whatever, or a theory, just ask me. We can talk about it either over the phone, or you can come see me. But I don't want you guys to be afraid to ask if you have questions. I want you to reach out. I don't want you to feel like that you have to do this all on your own, because you don't have to. So I hope you enjoy the course. I hope you learn a lot, and I hope that I continue to hear from all of you, because I'm assuming most of you are in the CJ program to be in this course right now, at least. I'm trying to make it a gen ed, but that's not the case yet. But so probably most of you are in CJ. So hopefully I'll be seeing more of you, and you guys will be seeing more of me. And I hope that you guys enjoy the course. And again, don't hesitate to reach out over the course of the semester. All right. Bye, guys.